What's better than a delicious, healthy snack? How about a DIY delicious, healthy snack? That's exactly what we have for you today. Two super easy recipes that are made in just 5 minutes and will satisfy all your sweet tooths. First up, let's make some DIY fruit gummies. To make these yummy gummies, you will need 1/2 cup of fruit juice, 1 tablespoon of gelatin, 1 tablespoon of honey. Now if you want to use a different type of sweetener, you can go ahead and do that. But today we're reusing honey and we love it because it has a lower glycemic index and it has a natural sweetener. So we're going to pour our juice into a small saucepan over medium heat. Once the juice starts to heat up, we're going to stir it constantly so that it doesn't stick to the bottom or burn. After about 3 minutes, we'll turn off the heat, and now we're ready to add our gelatin and our honey. So we're going to stir this in until the gelatin is completely dissolved. You don't want any chunks. And once the gelatin is all mixed in, we're going to pour our mixture into a mold. These are the gummies that I'm using, but you can use any kind of silicone mold. You could even use ice cube trays. And we're going to let this sit in the fridge for about 2 hours so that the gummies can set up. Once they're done, you can take them out of the mold, cut them up if you'd like, and enjoy. They're delicious. And this recipe is super versatile. You can use any fruit juice that you'd like. We've done a berry-flavored one, a citrus-flavored one. Our absolute favorite is the mixed berry. It's so delicious. The sweetness from the berries really complements the tartness of the gelatin, and the honey just brings it all together. If you're looking for a fun, easy snack that the whole family can enjoy, look no further. These gummies are so easy to make and so delicious, your kids are gonna love them. Now let's move on to recipe 2, the healthy marshmallow. To make these bad boys, you will need 1 tablespoon of gelatin, 1 tablespoon of honey, 1 teaspoon of vanilla extract. Now, if you want to get fancy, you can buy a high-quality vanilla extract, or you can use the good old-school McCormick brand. It works just fine. We're going to pour our gelatin into a small bowl, and now we're going to add in our honey and vanilla extract. Now we're going to bloom the gelatin. What does that mean? Well, we're just going to let it sit for about 5 minutes so that the gelatin can absorb all the liquid. After 5 minutes, we're going to grab our whisk and we're going to whip this mixture until it's light and fluffy. This is going to take a little bit of time, maybe about 2 or 3 minutes. Once the mixture looks like whipped cream, we're going to pour it into a pan that we lined with parchment paper. Now we're going to let this set up in the fridge for about 30 minutes. After 30 minutes, we're going to cut it up, we're going to serve it, and we're going to enjoy. So easy. And just like with the gummies, you can use this recipe as a base and get creative. If you want to make chocolate marshmallows, you can just add 1/4 cup of cocoa powder, and then you would just whip it until it's well combined. This recipe is so easy and so delicious. It is perfect for anyone who loves marshmallows, but wants to avoid the refined sugar and the weird chemicals. These healthy marshmallows are a game changer. Now that you have 2 delicious, healthy snack recipes up your sleeve, it's time to get creative in the kitchen. Will you be trying the DIY fruit gummies or the healthy marshmallows? Let us know in the comments below. And if you're looking for more healthy snack ideas, be sure to check out the link in the description for the full guide. We have so many more delicious recipes that are easy to make and full of nutrients. Don't miss out. Subscribe to our channel and join us on our journey to a healthier, happier life. See you next time.